How to use side buttons for flashlight shortcut on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up your flashlight with your side buttons on Android. First thing first, open up settings menu and make sure that you have your flashlight turned on. And to access that settings for your side buttons, you need to go over to advanced features, then tap on side buttons. And as you can see here, double press off my side button or the power button will allow me to use Torch app. Make sure this toggle is turned on. And if you want to select any other app, you can do it from here. I've just selected Torch, which comes quite handy. So let me just quickly press to my buttons twice, and on my notification here, as you can see, the torch has turned on. If I double press on the side button again, it will be turned off. You can do this for a quick access of your flashlight. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. We'll see you guys in the